we are going to discuss about the testing part of my project Friends Hub. So in the testing part, I try to find out is there any bug in my project or is my project is properly working and doing its task efficiently. These are the criteria that I checked. So let us discuss about the test cases that I used in the testing phase. First case is the client enters sign up details. So OTP sent it to his or her Gmail and I got the actual output. The OTP was received by the client successfully. The client enters OTP and the client get validated and registration was completed. So that also I got. Next the client enter email and password. So he get reached to his uh, own account page. That is his own newsfeed page and that also worked successfully. And when the client enters invalid credential details, he should get error message and that also he got the error message. And client moves to his newsfeed page as he successfully moves to his newsfeed page and he uh, got he got the view of his friend's watermarked uploaded posts image post, so that also visible, so that also display successfully. Then clients, if client moves to timeline page, here also he could see his post, the post that he uploaded in that Friends Hub website, and the old images were watermarked. This also displays successfully. When client upload image or post, then the expected output was verification on image done and watermarked, and I got the actual output verification and watermarking on image done successfully. And I also checked that if the client upload pirated image or post, then a warning message should be displayed. And he got the warning message successfully. And then I checked client tries to download friend's posted image. So I first right clicked the image and then tried to download the image, but it was not happened. So there was an available a download button. So I clicked the download button and then what happened was image verification is done and the notification sent to the original image owner, and that will happen successfully. The client who is the image owner get notification of his friend's requested photo as the actual output also got, the client got the notification, so he could send or he could send the original photo or could ignore the notification. The client tries to download image as the when the original owner send the original image, then the client could request the client get able to download that image, and that also worked successfully. The client chat with friends as chatting is done and chatting is also executed successfully. Both of them could view their chat messages and could delete any of their chat messages. This all are done successfully. Then next is clients and friend request as the friend request is to other client, and that also friend request sent successfully. Client confirm friend request. Uh, so when someone sends a friend request, then the other client will confirm the friend request and both become friends. This also done successfully. Next is client delete chat history. As here the client tried to delete the chat history and history deleted to both of the persons who involved in that chatting. This also happened successfully. Client like a post, so that also the like counted. That means if one person liked more than times, his like will be counted only once. This also happened successfully. Client comments on post, and the post, the comment on that particular post is added successfully. Client could able to edit profile. Client could change password. When client get logged out, then he successfully get logged out. And when client click forgot password, all password is sent securely to the email account. This also happens successfully. So my testing all was completed successfully. So in the next YouTube link, you will have to watch about the details of future enhancement, conclusion, bibliography, and screenshot. Please also watch that. Thank you.